This job is for AWS Cloud Practitioner at Mobility, which is an IT consulting and services company based in Sydney and South Africa, in Johannesburg to be exact. This role is based in Sydney, Australia, and also in Joburg or Johannesburg, South Africa. For this work role, you would have to be in hybrid and flexible environment. Plus, as main skills, you would need to be good in AWS. At least 3 to 5 years experience is beneficial for this role. Plus, you should be adept at the migration technologies from on-prem to AWS, which includes the migration of virtual machines, databases, applications, and so on. One thing for this role is that this should be, if you have some consulting or telco industry experience, that would awesome. Now, as part of this role, you will be working with an Australian telecommunication company to migrate their IT ecosystem to AWS over time. This role is to assist in developing the go-to-market AWS plan for mobility and to then develop a migration plan with key telco executive based in Sydney using your experience and AWS knowledge. If you think this role is for you, then go to Mobility's website and directly apply from there. Thank you very much.